everyone, back again with me. This is my 19th vlog. In this vlog, I want to tell you about my experience going to the cinema for the first time. Let's get straight to it. Last month, I had one of the most memorable experience in my life because I went to the cinema for the first time with one of my close friends. Before that day, I had only watched movies at home on television or on my phone. I often heard many people say that watching movies in the cinema felt much more exciting because of the giant screen and loud sound system. Because of that, I was very curious and happy when my friend invited me to go to the cinema together during the holiday. We planned everything a few days before. We agreed to leave in the afternoon because the movie schedule was around evening time, and we knew we will return home at night. Since morning, I already felt excited and could not stop thinking about the trip. I prepared my clothes carefully, charged my phone, and made sure I brought enough money for transportation, tickets, and drinks. At around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I went to pick up my friends at his house. The weather was quite nice that day, although the road was a little crowded because many people were going out during the holiday. When I arrived at his house, she was already waiting for me outside. After greeting his family for a moment, we immediately started our journey to the cinema. The trip to the cinema was quite far, so we spent a long time on the road. During the journey, we talked about many interesting things. We joked with each other, discussed school life, talked about our favorite movies, and even guessed which movies will become popular this year. Sometimes we laughed loudly because of our silly jokes. Even though the journey was tiring, it felt enjoyable because we were having fun together. As the sun slowly started to set, the city lights became brighter, and the atmosphere felt more exciting. After a long trip, we finally arrived at the mall where the cinema was located. It was my first time entering such a large cinema building, so I felt amazed when I saw the bright lights, movie poster, and many people walking around. The cinema looked very modern and crowded because it was a holiday. After entering the cinema area, we immediately became confused about which movie we should watch. There were several movies available that night. At first, we really want to watch a horror movie because the poster and trailer looked very interesting and scary. We even spent several minutes discussing whether we should buy the horror movie tickets or not. However, after thinking carefully, we suddenly realized something funny. Since we will go home late at night and the journey back home was still very far, We become afraid that we will not be brave enough to return home after watching a scary horror movie. We imagined ourselves feeling frightened during the trip home, especially when passing through quiet and dark roads. Because of that, we started laughing and decided that maybe watching horror was not a good idea for that night. After discussing it for quite a long time, we finally agreed to watch Senin Harga Naik instead. We thought the movie would be more relaxing and entertaining for us. After making the decision, we went to the ticket counter and bought the tickets. The ticket price was 35,000 rupiah each because it was a holiday. Although the price was a little expensive for us, we still felt happy because it was a special experience. Besides buying tickets, we also bought drinks before entering the studio. We went to enjoy the movie comfortably while drinking something cold. After that, we checked the movie schedule and realized that the movie would only start about 30 minutes later. Because we still had plenty of time, we decided to sit near the waiting area. While waiting for the movie to start, we continued chatting and observing the people around us. Many visitors were taking pictures near the movie's poster, buying popcorn and laughing with their friends or families. The atmosphere inside the cinema felt very lively and exciting. I also looked at the large digital screens and that displayed movie trailers and schedules. Everything inside the cinema looked modern and beautiful to me because it was my first experience there. Finally, after waiting for around 30 minutes, the studio door opened and people started entering the room. We quickly found our seat and sat down inside the cinema. The room was dark, cold, and very comfortable. The seats were soft and the giant screen looked amazing. I felt very excited when the advertisement and trailers started appearing on the screen. A few minutes later, the movie finally began. The sound system was extremely loud and clear, making every scene feel more real and exciting. Sometimes the audience laughed together during funny scenes, and sometimes everyone become quiet during emotional moments. My friend and I really enjoyed the movie. We laughed many times and talked quickly about some scene while watching. I realized that watching movies in the cinema felt completely different compared to watching at home. Time passed very quickly because we were enjoying ourselves so much. After the movie ended, the lights inside the cinema turned on again and everyone slowly walked out of the studio. While we were leaving the cinema area, something unexpected happened. I accidentally met one of my other friends outside the cinema. At first, I was surprised because I did not expect to see him there. After saying goodbye to him, my friend and I continue our journey home. Since I had picked him up earlier, I also took him back to his house safely. The drive home still felt quite far, but the roads were calmer and quieter at night. The cool night air made the journey feel peaceful. Along the way, we continue talking about our favorite scenes from the movie and laughed again while remembering funny moments for earlier. When we finally arrived at my friend's house, it was already quite late at night. After she went inside, I continued my journey back home alone. Even though I feel very tired after the long trip, I also feel extremely happy because they had become one of the best experiences in my life. That was my story. It's quite long because it was really exciting at that time. So that's all for my vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.